Hey guys, today in art class from school I made something for Christmas. I made two things, so I just want you to check it out. So first I made a gingerbread house. I'll turn the flashlight on and let me get on my bed first, and then I can turn my flashlight on so you can see it good. So you can see it good enough. So here it is. You can see bright enough. That's good. Okay, now let me turn the light off. It's in your face. It's in your face. It's in your face. And if we have a little bit of time before we go to bed, I'm going to have a little time to play Subway Surfers. But after my second one, my surprise. And my second one is Santa Claus. I made them for Christmas. It says Santa Holiday Special. And I made something at the back of my gingerbread house. Paper. It's another paper. So it's just something different. I drew on both sides, so I think we have enough time to play Subway Surfers. So play 2 rounds of Subway Surfers. So I will play 2 rounds of Subway Surfers. Now let's get under my bed. I was on whatever. Let's just go to the phone. Okay. So I have 2 phones. This one I'm recording on. Houston. Just waiting for it to load. I'll just load it here. I know we've been in here, this update. I made a couple videos of it. And I made a video about Mexico. I made a video about, on this phone, I made a video about Mexico, 2019 Day of the Dead. I made the video today because in the Mexico update I didn't download it, and I did download it, but I had to do it on screen recorder to show you guys. Oh yeah, it says update the app. Says update the app. Enjoy the winter holiday. Surf the enchanting tracks. Celebrate the season with a jolly holiday sale. Boop. Okay. Alex here. Got this Alex boy. Big girl. I got 100 coins? Yeah, I got 100. Let's open a mystery box. I want to buy one mystery box. I want to buy a mystery box. Okay. 36 keys. Let's see what's inside. And 2 times Turkey's hat. Collect 114 more to unlock Turkey's hard outfit. Yeah, that's the truth one. Since it is... We're spelling candy! We're spelling candy! You know what? I'm going to have to use Elf Turkey for this one. There's music playing in the living room. Elf Turkey. I want to use her ice outfit. So let's see if a board that matches her. Ooh, the superhero's good. Superhero's good. Now I'll put her in the superhero. Of course, I have the lowrider. I have a lot of boards. Let's do the superhero because it matches her outfit. And of course, I'll watch a video to get 3 keys. I have to end the video because Guys, I have to end the video now, so like, share, subscribe. Bye, guys.